Hey guys, welcome to Drop. Today we will complete the task of deploying the smart contract for Monet, the one with Remix. So, I was going to explain in the video. Now it happened that the early adopter role ends today. Complete all tasks. Then we will see the second in the video if there are any new tasks in it. So now you have to do here. We have to deploy smart content from Remix. I will take the link in this. After this link comes, you can create a folder here, named Monet. You are going to deploy a lot of content, so open Monet's folder. There will be an option to open the file. After that after coming here inside, the option of new creative file. After this comes, you have to type Monet. Here, it will write in. Press it. This will create your new file. I will give a folder here in want. You have to paste the code here. Click on paste. After this, you need to come down to the Solidity compiler. Here you need to select 0.8.24 and click on compile. It's compiled. We don't need green T here, otherwise something would have been there. Okay. After green T comes, you need to go to deployment. Here you need to select Madam. If you want something else, then select Madam. It will connect. You should see written here. If not, there might be some error. Restart Madam. Here you need to validate. After this, you need to write Monet's life here. So let's write Monet. After doing this, you will have a transaction created in your Metamask upon deploying. This is done. Do the Metamask transaction. Confirm the small amount of gas. Wait a bit. Our deployment is done. It will be written here below, and you need to type one message here. So we type one message for you. Greeting. You need to confirm one transaction in Metas, and then click on greeting. So the text above will come down here. Okay. So this completes our one content deployment. If other types of deployments are done, and if something seems right, I will make a next video guide for you all. Okay. We have already created folders, so we can create more new files inside this folder later. So if you want to redeploy this, you simply write Monet in a new file. Here. Change 1 to 2 here. So do it. So our second file is created. Similarly, come here, close the same scene, come to compile, then select 0.24 and click on compile. Come back to the deployment again and select Metamask here. In the indexer provider, add Metamask and come from the wallet. After something is written, you have to come here. Here we type by doing Monet. If you click on deploy once, you'll get the transaction again. So you see they are adding multiple similar contracts in the feature. And I should mention the testnet is ending, or contracts, etc. are also being deployed for early completion. Although we have done it for auto, this can also be done as an additional one. Here, you will already see it below, so we close it. Our second contract has arrived here. Open it below the second one. And here again, you can write something else if you wish. Here we will check the transaction from the rating. Confirm it. Then we have to click on greeting. Now the message below will be selected. The message below is selected, so you can send various types of messages here. Okay, so provide 23 message types here as I mentioned one. You can also type something else. Okay, that's all for now. If there's anything else, I'll update you on Telegram. Okay, thank you so much.